Today we're making a garlic scape with pork dish. Cut the tenderloin into thin, even strips. Tenderloin is the best choice. Place it in a bowl. Add light soy sauce, cooking wine, and egg white. Then mix well. Add some cornstarch to help retain the flavor and moisture. Add a little oil to prevent sticking. Set aside and marinate for 10 minutes. Wash the garlic scape and trim off the tough root end. Cut into 3-centimeter pieces. Heat the pan and add oil. When the oil is hot, add the pork. Stir fry quickly with high heat. Use a hot pan and cold oil to prevent sticking. Leave some oil. Add the garlic scape. Add some salt. Stir fry over medium heat until the garlic scape are softened. This will enhance the flavor. Add chopped scallions, ginger, and chili peppers. You can also skip the chili peppers. Stir fry until fragrant, then add the pork. Add a little light soy sauce. Then add some dark soy sauce. Let the pork and garlic scape blend together. Use high heat to prevent the pork from becoming tough. Cook the garlic scape a little longer for better flavor. You can also add some sweet bean sauce. This dish is easy to make and tastes great. Give it a try.